Hello guys, Sky here again, and today we have prepared another big interesting project for you. So the current situation of the world is very unstable, and due to the recent crash in all the financial market, people are searching for investment opportunities. But the main question is what to invest if you are prefer to invest in financial instrument outside the box. So the first thing comes in your mind is cryptocurrency, but they are very risky. You can earn a lot of money with cryptocurrencies, but at the same time they are very risky due to instability. But what if I tell you you can invest in cryptocurrency, at the same time you can minimize your risk? The answer is Aureus Numes. It is a blockchain based stable coins that are backed by real physical gold. 100,000 are equal to 1 ounce of gold. So let's get into the action and learn more about Aureus Numes. One of the biggest money problem is inflation. Government are printing money with and without reason and pushing up the total supply of cash. You do not need to search for an example because right now Donald Trump is actively pumping new cash into USA economy. Around 6 billion USD were printed just to support the economy during corona issues. Do not get me wrong, it is very important to help people in need, especially during such hard times. But printing so much money out of air would definitely have big consequences in the future. Cryptocurrency are solving this problem because they have a limited supply as well as gold. Gold and cryptocurrency are not endless, and we would certainly come to a moment when we will run out of gold and it would not be possible to get a new one. The same picture have the most cryptocurrencies. Once all bitcoins will be mined, the only way to get your hands on bitcoins would be buy it from another person. The best thing about Aureus Numes is that this coin combines cryptocurrencies and gold. So what is Aureus Numes? As you can see, Aureus Numes is a stable cryptocurrency that is called ANG, and it is backed by real physical gold. It means when you invest in ANG, you are buying a cryptocurrency that can be exchanged into gold. 100,000 ANG tokens are equivalent to 1 ounce of gold. So as you can see, if you look at the table, you will able to see that the price of 100,000 ANG coins in exchange with the most popular world currencies like Euro, USD or KRW. Okay, so ANG coin was created by as an ERC20 token because it is the most trusted blockchain. ANG token has limited supply of 60 trillion tokens and it is not mineable. So the only way to get your hands on ANG token is to buy them from an exchange or on their website. We will show you how to do it a bit later. Furthermore, the whole Aureus Numes infrastructure is completely decentralized and anonymous, so you do not need any bank account or KYC process to eligible to participate. Generally, the idea of Aureus Numes is to create a stable exchange asset that cannot be influenced by an inflation. So it is backed by a serious asset and always provide the user an opportunity to exchange their token for a fixed price. We will guide you through how to buy Aureus Numes tokens. As you can see, there are plenty of ways of how you can take part and get some ANG tokens, starting from a regular credit card payment and ending with the exchange industrial metal or energy. So you can even buy ANG token by using diamonds, but we will guide you through some regular payment method that are really very simple. First of all, you can use PayPal or a direct transfer. Okay, you just need to click on use PayPal to get ANG. Wait till the page has loaded, input the number of tokens you are willing to buy and check out. Furthermore, you can buy ANG token by using cryptocurrencies or debit. So for doing so, just click on cryptocurrencies and debit card and wait until the page has loaded. After that, type in the quantity of ANG token, for example 1000. Okay, and click on add to cart. After that, you can input a coupon for discount if you have one, or just follow the social media of Aureus Numes, and there will be definitely a lot of promotion that will give you an opportunity to get a discount. Now click on proceed to checkout. After that you will be redirected to a payment info page, okay, where you will need to fill your personal data. After that you will be able to see the order information, so just click on finalize your order. As the last step, just select the payment method. If it is cryptocurrency, credit card or PayPal, so accept terms and condition and click continue. After a payment is confirmed, you can get an ANG token on your ETH address. Check out the summary presentation of ANG. The team members of Aureus Numes have prepared a detailed presentation of their cryptocurrency, so we can go through it together to mention some important aspects. The current problem that they are mentioning are truly big. For example, the prices and time of traditional banking system. So you have to pay a huge fees and wait several days until your money will arrive. Or even to be eligible to make such a transfer, you need to go through several security checks and other operations that cost your time and money. You can forget about all the problems with ANG tokens. Okay, here are some important general facts about ANG tokens that we have already mentioned, but it is worth to remember one more time that ANG is a stable cryptocurrency and that is pegged with to a certain price. For example, if 100,000 ANG token are equal to 1 ounce of gold, you will always have an opportunity to exchange your 100,000 ANG to 1 ounce of gold or to USD equivalent. As you can see, 1 ounce of gold is worth 1500 USD. So if you are interested and want to read this paper completely, we will leave you all the necessary links in the description down below. Okay, here are some advantages of ANG tokens. The most interesting part is, in my opinion, is stability. So it is backed by a certain amount of gold. And even more exciting is that ANG is not mineable, so there is no way to get those coins besides buying them from market. The rest of this presentation describes the most part aspect from more detailed, so we will leave this on your behalf, and you know there where to find all the full document if you make a deep dive into Aureus Numes. Another advantage is that you can always exchange your ANG token into gold and money directly on their website. So you will be able to exchange your ANG into gold simply by fulfilling form on their website. Okay, so you will just need to click on buy and sell the Aureus Numes and click we buy back your ANG anytime. After the page has loaded, you will be see a regular form that you will need to fill your personal information. When you will finish, the last step would be to enter amount of ounce and you are willing to receive. Send your tokens to provided address and submit. Click on submit. After funds will be arrived, the Aureus Numes team will ship your ounce of gold. Conclusion is, all in all, Aureus Numes is a very interesting cryptocurrency. From one hand, it gives an opportunity for every investor to get more familiar with blockchain and its advantages like cheap transaction, low fees, and very high speed. On the other hand, ANG is backed by real physical gold, which will ensure its stability and protect from inflation. Furthermore, investor would have an opportunity to send money from all over the world for small fees and within real time without a need to wait for several days for money transfer. A very strong point is the ability to exchange your tokens into real physical gold, which is a huge plus point as well. That was it for today, guys. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any additional questions, you can ask us in the comment section. We will answer all of them, and do not forget to leave a like, rating and subscribe to our channel Blockchain Today. So till then, stay safe, stay at home. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye.